Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a 2020 Honda Accord. He changed the emblem. You know, he's done a lot of work to the car. Looks really nice. He's got the spoiler. These lights are beautiful. He's done a lot of things to the car. But we did it. We added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if anybody tries to leave this car in full bricks, it will fire off the alarm system. If they try to bust out that keyhole, the kit does the bypass, so they won't be able to bust out the keyhole and shut off your factory alarm. So yeah, we did everything so this guy is protected, so he doesn't wake up in the morning and have the car in full bricks. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the spoiler in the back. He's done a real nice job on it. This car looks impeccable. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. Actually, I'll do the one in the back. Fire off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it. This is done in Pepper Pines here in Fort Lauderdale. So we do have free mobile service. So anybody who's in Miami area, all the way to Fort Lauderdale, Oakland Park, all the way to Homestead, we come out to you, make sure your car gets protected so you don't wake up in the morning and have the rims and tires. This is a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system, so you don't have to carry another key fob. And what they do, the way they break into these rims, they go ahead and put a smaller socket and hammer it in by pressure. You can see in the bottom of the video how it's done. You know, it's always good to drop a few lug nut locks. Not that they can't take them out. They're gonna have to hammer in the socket and then retract them out. It is very doable, but that impact that requires, my shock sensor will pick it up and it will fire off the alarm system. So you do want to have the lug nut locks. That way it helps my kit detects when they try to remove them. What else can I tell you about this vehicle? I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now. And we're gonna go ahead and do the back tire. Make sure that you guys understand that it does pick up all 4 tires. Picks up the whole car from bumper to bumper. Any impact, it will also protect if they bust out the keyhole in the driver's door or if they break a window. It will fire off the alarm system. If you're out of state, don't worry. You can always call us. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and I'll be able to give you more information how you can get this done in whatever state you live in, so you don't have to drive the car all the way to Miami. By the way, when you're on the factory alarm system, it takes about, you'll have that light on the dash, it will flash like that, and then it will do like a little pulse. So they all take about 20 seconds. So the alarm is actually set from factory. This shock sensor installation was done in this 2020 Honda Accord by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you guys for watching this video. Have a very nice day.